Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction as BTC spikes up and ETH hits $2,500. Time to buy. Arslan Butt last updated, January 20, 2024 559 EST Foreman read. As the weekend unfolds, Bitcoin BTC has seen a notable uptick, trading at $41,700 with nearly 140% increase on Saturday. Despite this positive momentum, skepticism remains as the New York Times maintains a cautious stance on Bitcoin's prospects. Adding to the wary outlook, the RBI Governor has flagged cryptocurrencies as a risk to the stability of the Indian Rupee, urging investors to proceed with caution. Meanwhile, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) has reported a loss of $2.3 million by the cryptocurrency exchange Debiex due to alleged romance scams, highlighting the vulnerabilities within the crypto space. Furthermore, the strength of the US dollar index DXY is seen as a potential threat to Bitcoin's recovery, compounded by the selling pressure from Grayscale Bitcoin Trust (GBTC). With such diverse factors at play, investors are pondering whether it's the opportune moment to buy into Bitcoin and Ethereum as the latter taps the $2,500 mark. RBI Governor cautions, cryptocurrency threatens rupee stability. Governor of the Reserve Bank of India RBI, Shaktikanta Das, has spoken about the serious risks that come with cryptocurrencies, particularly for developing nations. Das underlined the possible effects on the monetary system, currency stability, and financial stability. He voiced worries about cryptocurrencies' lack of underlying assets and their ability to replace money in payment systems and banking. Das highlights the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies and sees considerable risks even in spite of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission having approved spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs. The governor's cautious approach increases the regulatory obstacles that cryptocurrencies must overcome and may lead to more volatility in the market. CFTC reports, Debiex exchange hit by $2.3 million romance scams. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) has labeled cryptocurrency exchange Debiex as a fraudulent digital asset platform, accusing its senior staff of orchestrating romantic deceptions to defraud money. The CFTC report alleges that Debiex representatives engaged in forming intimate relationships with potential clients, gaining their trust, and subsequently persuading them to open and fund trading accounts. This scheme reportedly siphoned over $2 million, with 5 victims currently identified over 2 years. These romance scam allegations add to a series of challenges within the cryptocurrency industry, potentially impacting investor sentiment and activity by undermining the trust and credibility of crypto exchanges. US dollar rally and GBTC sell-off endanger Bitcoin's recovery. The US dollar index's DXY rally up to 71% from its December 27 low poses a challenge to Bitcoin's price recovery. Bolstered by robust retail sales and positive economic data, the DXY has seen significant gains. Concurrently, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust GBTC has experienced substantial outflows with around 38,000 BTC withdrawn since January 11 when spot Bitcoin ETFs were introduced. Economist Peter Schiff attributes these GBTC outflows as a key factor preventing Bitcoin's price rise. Technical analysis suggests Bitcoin could potentially fall back to around $34,000, having been repelled at the $48,000 level, which aligns with the upper limit of an ascending parallel channel. Despite these pressures, some market observers maintain a positive long-term outlook on the impact of spot Bitcoin ETFs. However, the specter of fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD looms, with the potential to trigger further sell-offs if negative sentiment escalates. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin has recently exited the narrow corridor where it had been confined, ranging between $43,400 and $41,600. The fall beneath this bracket indicates a bearish shift away from the previously observed lateral trading pattern. At present, Bitcoin is hovering around $41,500, falling short of the 50 EMA mark set at $42,883, potentially acting as a hurdle to upward movement. The current descent reflects a rise in selling activity, with Bitcoin approaching a critical juncture of support near the $41,600 threshold. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. Should Bitcoin fail to maintain this support, attention may turn to the next significant support near the range's lower edge. Market participants are keeping a watchful eye on these levels to determine Bitcoin's forthcoming trajectory. Ethereum price prediction. Ethereum ETH finds itself within a descending channel, trading close to $2,464, just shy of the 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $2,495, which could serve as an immediate resistance point. The relative strength index RSI is at 44, indicating a neutral position and allowing for possible price swings in both directions. Ethereum's support is established at $2,475 by key Fibonacci levels, with a more decisive support at $2,417. A drop below this could precipitate further losses. Ethereum price chart. Source: TradingView. On the flip side, resistance looms at $2,605, and the upper limit of the current channel may further resist upward price movements. Traders should approach the market with caution, closely monitoring the identified support and resistance levels for signals of either a reversal or continuation of the current trend. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Follow us on Google News.